Another Workflow Wednesday, and this week is going to be very short because there is so much content available in the ServiceNow ecosystem this week because it's Knowledge. Knowledge 2022 is happening. It's a little bit different this year, as you all know, where it's happening in multiple locations. This week, it's happening in New York City. And yes, Thirdera will be there. And so one of the things I thought I'd do today is kind of walk through how do you find out where Thirdera is, as well as find other content for you at this event. And so let me jump over here. Let's look at my desktop and let me get rid of that logo. If you go to the Knowledge link right at the top, and you can search for Knowledge, just go to knowledge.servicenow.com. And you can find which location you want to go to. Here I've already got it set up for New York, and you can see there's a library. There's like 437 sessions. 400 sessions you can dig into. So yeah, I don't need to create more content this week. But if you want to filter it, see this more filters over here? You press that, you'll get a screen that looks like this. And basically you want to scroll down here, and you have lots of choices, but what we're looking for is Thirdera. And so if you click that, what you'll see is we've got 3 sessions lined up in New York where you can dig in to find out how we're automating provisioning and the work that we're doing to really help around the integration hub and how ServiceNow can be that control tower for the enterprise. With the automations to reach out to other systems. The other session really highlights some of the work we're doing in the telecommunications industry. This one is another one of our customers where we're leading that charge. Lit is using order service management, and if you haven't seen that capability, it really shows how ServiceNow can be extended for vertical solutions, both in telco and financial, and we're going to see more and more of that, especially building on top of the customer service management, CSM management capabilities on the platform. And then you've heard me talk about our UI in our Thirdera digital practice. User experience is so important in this digital world that one you can't miss. And that one's a live session for you to attend and see how UX matters. Thirdera Digital continues to push that digital can be done very well and done on ServiceNow as a technology stack that it delivers it on. And so I had another tab over here. And this is the link that I'll include in the posts that all of these go out. If you go to Thirdera, you go to our resources, take a look at our blog. It's always a great spot to turn to find new information, find some of the resources, the articles, the customer spotlights that we've done, as well as watch for upcoming webinars and other content. Again, we want to be one of the organizations that is providing more content to help you, equip you to get more value from the ServiceNow platform. If you go here, you'll see some of these highlights brought up, not only in New York, but this one is also going to talk about some of the international things happening in the Hog and happening in Sydney. And so if you dive down to this, you'll see where you can get our on-demand version of how UX matters, as well as our other session happening on UX on both sides of the pond. And so check out those. You can catch them in Knowledge, but you can also catch them right here live and register for those events. And so you can see those. And I hope you enjoy attending Knowledge wherever that may be. Again, this week it's in New York City. Coming up 2 weeks from now, it will be in Las Vegas. And again, Thirdera will be at both. We look forward to having a chance to meet our leadership, meet us in our booth, and meet some of the sales execs and others from Thirdera, so you can learn a little bit more about us in person, because that is a thing. You can always reach out to me. Again, keeping it short this week because there's so much for you to reach out and find. But you reach out to me on comments on YouTube, find me on LinkedIn, and of course, if you're still on Twitter, find me. I'm Troy P. there. Thanks so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.